What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Ray here, Pontiac Lemans garage. Tonight, I'm working on this. So I cut that transmission tunnel out for this transmission. So I need to make a cover for it. So I got me a piece of cardboard, cut it out. I think that's going to work pretty good, actually. So I'll get me a piece of like 20 gauge, make me a cover. I'm just going to make a removable cover. I'll just make one that I can screw in and out. That way I can take it off, change shifters, whatever, without having to worry about cutting anything out again. So yeah, just wanted to make a little short video, show you guys that instead of using expensive steel, just make you a template out of cardboard. Alright, so here's what I came up with. I took that cardboard template I made, took it to work, and cut it out, and this is what I come up with. I still got to do a little tweaking, because like right in here, it's got this piece sitting up on top of it, so it doesn't come down here in the front. But for the most part, it didn't turn out too bad, so we'll call that a win for now. And we'll probably just screw it down in place, call it good for now, and we'll do some changing at a later date. I'm going to swap transmissions again anyway, so it's not that big a deal. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how you guys could make a cardboard template and turn it into the metal piece you need without multiple, mess ups on the metal, because cardboard's cheaper. Hope you guys liked the video. Like, subscribe, share, help other people see these tips. Thank you.